All right, guys, first run video. So I have it with the 4S in there. I have the GNS already set up, and we'll go ahead and get into the video. See what kind of speeds it does on road, and see what it does off road. Get some jumps, run around, just some overall feel of the new Team Karate Kagama 4, and we'll get up out of here. All right, so let's go ahead. So the standstill is not super fast, but it's adequate. All right, so let's go ahead. Give it a run. So that's full throttle, guys. Brakes is definitely aggressive. Full throttle. Ooh, definitely a turn the brakes down. Definitely turn the brakes down, guys. Alright, so let's see what speeds that was. I'm gonna have to redo that, guys. So it said 101 miles an hour. That was 101 miles an hour, guys. 101 miles an hour, that's funny. A little bit of off-roading. Let's just see what that is. So that was 37 miles an hour. Again, not my ideal speed run spot, but 37 miles an hour. Let's do off-road speed, see what it does. Got some decent range with it. Bring it on back. Oh. Let's just see what it was off-road. So that was 30 miles an hour off-road, guys. Let's just see how it takes the turns. Yeah, it's definitely gripping. Oh, piece of stick. And this is the default setting on the punch, guys. Another stick. Turns pretty well. Oh, nice. All right, got my ramp set up. I would definitely like to turn the punch up a little bit though. It's pretty soft on the punch side. Just a cool little jump, see how it does. Yeah, I think I'll give it a little bit of punch just to kind of be able to correct it a little bit better in the air. But she is jumping good though. Nice. Definitely a nice jumper. Nice. Y'all know I'm not the best at jumping. Nice, nice. And try to get it from the other side. You guys know I'm terrible when it comes to going from the side or the front, just so you guys get a better view of it. It feels nice and light in the air. I'll line it up. Yeah, see, told you guys. I start going from the side and I can't even get that right. I'm trying to record and you know, get that thing landing right. All right, that was my fault. I should have corrected it, but hey, you guys gonna see it tumbling, taking the hard lands. It's probably about 40 degrees out here today. Wheelie bar didn't crack, so definitely it hasn't broken yet. Not being sent to the moon, but I've jumped big brand cars before and they have broken on the first jump. So, all right, let's get some good jumps here, guys. Would it do backflip? I have no idea. Might have to turn a punch up to do a backflip. There's the stock gearing as well. Watch out for the tree. You guys know me and trees for some reason. I find them. I tried to avoid. I caught that in the video. Ooh. Let's see, guys. Steering servo is a little bit off now. Yeah, let me go ahead and turn the punch up one notch, guys, and just see. So I can't get, well, kind of got a wheelie there. All right, I turned the punch up to 4. I think I'm more punch. So for 419, guys, so far I definitely say it is worth it. I had the Synchro. Honestly, for me, that I didn't really like that truck too much. It wasn't the buggy, wasn't really my thing. Even though this has a lot of the electronics stuff like that, but this monster truck is definitely something I like. The Kagama 4S, definitely a great little monster truck so far. So far it's tough. Again, I'm not doing any super duper jumping, but at least the way I enjoy the hobby so far, it's been doing great. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna change the radio out. And we'll see how the servo does. But other than that, so far it seems pretty good. I think it up on the wheelie bar, do some wheeling, but we'll see, guys. Let's do a couple more jumps. Oh yeah, I need to turn the brakes down. Oh, there you go. Got a little wheelie action. Nice. Floats real nice, guys. Nice. 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 I'm running around a little bit, guys. It's getting up a little bit more now. Turns really good, guys. I mean, this guy turns really good. Pretty sure if you go up in the gearing, it's definitely a little crazier. It's definitely running pretty good, guys. I'm not mad at it. 419, the Kagama 4 is definitely something to look at. It's moving pretty good. The tires are pretty good. It could definitely be a good racer. Good contender for the 4S, guys. This is definitely something to look at when you're looking at some 4S rigs. You guys know, if you guys like racing, Team Pirelli definitely wants to be developing their cars to race. That's why I know if they do an on-road car, guys, it is going to be an animal. Just like the Team Pirelli, the 823 SSX, beast. Definitely a car I think I'm going to build over the winter time, most likely. But Team Pirelli definitely, like I said, they're going through, you know, they're developing some cars, listening to the consumers, and they're developing cars that we want and making changes as needed. And so far, honestly, Team Pirelli, you're definitely making some really good quality cars. Definitely like this one a lot. I'm sure there could be some, you know, wheel changes to see different tire options. Definitely gonna change the radio out and go from there. But this thing is moving really nice, guys. I like it. It's light. It's peppy. So one thing I'm noticing now, it could be my batteries, but it's almost like it has a little bit of a delay in the trigger. Could be my battery, could be getting low. Oh, tumble. Again, if I get to this video, guys, it doesn't break, definitely a good one. Oh. I'm trying to hit the ramp. I need to get further back so I can line up the ramp sooner. I'm gonna do a quick drag test. I see the front end come off the ground. Alright. 4.5 at 38. I do a couple more jumps, guys. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, and I will catch you guys on the next one.